Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C gel on your face. First, begin with a clean canvas. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This step is crucial for allowing the vitamin C to penetrate effectively. After cleansing, gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel, leaving it slightly damp. Make sure your hands are clean too. Now let's apply the vitamin C gel. Take a small, pea-sized amount, roughly the size of a small blueberry, onto your fingertips. Gently dot this amount onto different areas of your face, such as your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Then, using upward and outward motions, gently massage the gel into your skin until it is fully absorbed. Be gentle around the delicate eye area. After applying the gel, give it a few minutes to fully absorb into your skin. A wait time of 5 to 10 minutes is usually sufficient. This allows the active ingredients to work their magic without being diluted by other products. Once absorbed, you can follow up with your favorite moisturizer to hydrate your skin and seal in the benefits. If it's daytime, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. For optimal results, incorporate vitamin C gel into your routine once daily, ideally in the morning. Consistency is key to seeing improvements in skin tone and texture. Remember to store your vitamin C gel in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its potency. Also, if you have sensitive skin, always perform a small patch test on your arm before applying it to your entire face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.